So this video is about using Screencast-o-matic and also having a YouTube channel. Before we start, you need a YouTube channel. You get one with your school account. What you would need to do is you signed in, you go up here, instead of your channel here it will say create channel, you click the button and it's intuitive to make that happen. And once you've done that, you will see all your videos here, but with no videos yet, which we're just about to make that happen. Screencast-o-matic, just go there, record for free, you don't need to sign up, and launch free recorder. You will often get extra dialogues. You might need to download something. It's all just click OK and next and whatever else is required, and eventually what you will end up with is this little dialogue here about what we're going to record. You'll want to record full screen. You probably won't want to use any of these other options, and you'll want to record, make sure that it's picking up some audio from your microphone, and then just start recording. Get a count in, and then you can do stuff, click around, recording your voice, etc, etc, and then there you go. I've recorded a 3-second video. Choices now: yes, start over. I do this a lot. I stuff up, particularly in the first part of the video. I often make a mistake. Actually, I'm happy with my video, so I'm not going to bin it. I'm going to click done. And I typically haven't used the edit video in Screencast-o-matic. If I want to edit videos, I will do that in a different application like Adobe Rush. Save upload. You may well want to save as a video file if you're incorporating this with other files, so if you're splicing it together with something. More typically, you'll need to upload to YouTube, and at this point, the first time you come in, it will give you some kind of dialogue where you have to give Screencast-o-matic permission to publish to your YouTube channel. Again, entirely intuitive, just click done, yes, next, or whatever, and it will be fine. Options here, we can give the title a recording, the recording a title. You can tag it, which is a good thing to do for search. You can change your privacy to public, private, or unlisted. So unlisted, you can still share the link on Google Classroom, but it won't be searchable. I prefer public, just easier generally for students to find what you're putting with them, but you can make your own choices. Click publish. Oh, I didn't mean to stop publish actually. I don't want this 3-second video to appear on my channel. It will appear here, and there is a manage videos button where you can change privacy options if you want to, and also manage comments and see what other things, etc. Awesome.